Hey, Pyro people. Here we have Apex crackers. Apex titanium crackers. 100 shot. These are the 100 shot brick. They do it different. Their bricks are in these boxes. In a way, it's good, for packaging the shipping, and you don't have to worry about the cello cracking and all. But it's I kind of miss the part of opening up a brick. I just love that. But this is cool too, I would say. But I like the packaging. Apex, the packaging's great. Let's see what we got. Oh, over here it says what's inside. 100 shots brick titanium firecrackers. Titanium firecrackers. 1 cracker brick. 8 strips per brick. 100 crackers per strip. 800 crackers total. They're 1 foot length. 1.5 inch crackers. 3 second per strip. And very loud. There's the product details if you want to see it. Bang and flash. Alright, so let's open one up here. Okay. That's what they look like inside. 8 of these in here. And then you got your elite, because these are elite firecrackers. Or elite fireworks. Apex firecrackers. There's the, and then this peels off. This just peels off. And sometimes the fuse is right there, but a lot of times you just gotta rip this back. See, right there it is. And then there's the fuse. And sometimes, some people were saying that's a short fuse. Well, I mean, some of them are shorter, but they're not like short, like really short. But there's that, and I have one open. I'll show you guys. There's the crackers itself. They all say elite on them. And these are pretty good, guys, in my opinion. They are pretty good. But don't take my word for it. We're about to go demo one right now. I will be right back, guys. Okay, guys, we are back. There they are. Nice crackers, guys. Very nice. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked.